very fallish, except it's like winter time now. You got it, Gary.
You do, because you're very chipmunk.
Thank you.
At least the cinnamon rolls are.
Good morning, Tennessee. Hello. Hello, rental car.
So these are yours.
There's another major decision maker. I need
Pretty good, yeah. Sort of like a White Castle.
Yeah, that's what it reminded me of. Oh yeah, your wife.
The fries. I do have fries. I'm joking, you would, because of Sprite and fries. Not the baby. Well, I don't think I have this thing.
It's kind of, the closest thing we have would be White Castle, but we don't even have one of those close to us.
It's good.
Okay.
Got a strawberry slushy.
Looking you over the back. All I see is Mellie's head. There's yet. Oh, now I can't see any of Mellie.
Actually, hate slushies. It's actually weird. I had a slushie not too long ago. It was weird. I had it during the real band thing when we went to the system. So all of it has been like even if I did have to pay some money, it's like
Yeah, we only had to pay $20.
Or do you want to go to your state? I don't know. I don't want to go anything food related. Yeah. Not only is it, you don't like the price. It takes one that makes me stupid. No. I don't like that. Fuck you. When I get in the mall, dude.
Continuing the journey down to Florida. We're at rest area number 22 in Monroe County. Just outside of Macon, Georgia. Well, it has been a long 2 days. But we're finally here. Welcome to the Sunshine State.
Actually, which is like, it makes me think like it's not November.
We still have another few hours of nighttime driving here in Florida before we get to our final destination. I think this is my third stop at the I-75 Florida Welcome Center. It definitely has warmed up quite a bit from when we left Chattanooga this morning. It's about mid-70s, pretty nice. It will probably cool down a bit tonight, so I'm going to be back in the jacket, I am sure. But it is time to visit Florida. Apparently we can't visit Florida. It's closed! Okay. There is the restaurant then. Yeah, we missed the visitor center. Closed at 5, which means we don't get our free orange juice. Oh well. Welcome to the Okahumpka Service Plaza here on the Florida Turnpike. Yep, we're almost done with the driving after 2 days. Just got a little bit more to go to our rental house in Kissimmee, Florida. And we got a little mini service plaza here and a gift shop. Alright, okay. I have been here before, but it's been a while. I just kind of forgot. I've picked up one of my Florida shirts here in the past. I'm not going to get anything tonight, some food, but I'm ready to be done with the driving. Oh wow, Duncan has some issues with their TV screens right now. Got some IP addresses and X going on there. That is crazy. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Oh, we got some brochures. Yeah, this is a nice little service plaza. There's the Florida Turnpike. Of course, I got the SunPass tolls. My iPass will work on it now, which is cool. And yeah, there's like a service plaza every 45 minutes on this thing. It's right in kind of the middle, not over the road, but in between the two roads. So you have a southbound and a northbound here. Kind of similar to how the Illinois tollway is. Alright, let's go to the bathroom real quick and then we're going to head over to Wendy's. Alright. Yeah, I mean, not too large. I don't know, I think they could kind of fit something like this at the O'Hare and Hinsdale Oasis, right? Something about this size would be perfect. Wishful thinking, right? Alright, let's get something for Wendy's to go. Alright, so Wendy's is closed. Yay. KFC is definitely closed, I guess. We're gonna go to Dunkin', but I kind of want something more than a donut. Oh, but their menu boards are a little weird right now, so I don't even know what they have outside of donuts. Might be get something in the gift shop. Yeah, I can't translate their IP addresses into menu items. Alright, no one gets something from Main Street Market. Whatever. Yeah, this is their version of the iPass out here. Works with Easy Pass now, which means it works with my iPass. And we got a random fish tank here. Alright, let's see. I just need a sandwich or something here. Alright, classic King cheese it is. Plenty of beverages and snacks in the car. Alright, beer hugs from Florida. Now let's get to our house. Welcome to Paradise Palms in Kissimmee, Florida. Our home for the next week. We were all kind of tired last night. Went to bed pretty early after a long 2 days of driving. We are actually getting ready to head to the Magic Kingdom now, which will be in the next video. But let's take a quick look inside. It's a little quieter. This is what I want to check out. We have our own little covered pool area. Very Florida-like. Just a tiny little pool. But 4 feet and 3 feet, not bad at all. And it's heated. Welcome to Florida. This is my actually first time feeling this. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely heated. Nice. Not just the typical lukewarm that hotels like to do. This is warm. And check out this view. Hoping to see a gator for the first time at some point during this trip. Apparently this door just stays unlocked. Interesting. There you go. I feel that Florida heat. Apparently it's getting down to the 30s and 20s back in Chicago. We escaped that for now. I will be coming back to that next week though. But for now, it feels pretty good. This definitely seems like the type of water that would have some gators. We shall see. Alright, so downstairs you have the master bedroom and the master bath. And then upstairs there are 3 total bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. This is the actual, I think, master bedroom, which my oldest daughter's in right now. And then there's a couple bedrooms over here. This is where my youngest is sleeping. Nice big king size bed. If you want to rock out on the guitar, you can. Get a view of the pool. Here is a second bathroom. This door has a lock, so I'm guessing it's a utility closet. And then we have this bedroom over here, bedroom number 4 that we're not really using. Kind of a kid's room, got a nice mural of the Magic Kingdom castle. Tinkerbell. And yeah, 2 nice little twin-size beds. No, I didn't even notice that's the Rose from Beauty and the Beast. And then yeah, 1 more bedroom and bathroom in here. And the daughter just headed out of the room, so get a quick look at this, what is technically the master bedroom. We're staying in the one downstairs, but that's a pretty crazy sized room, huh? Obviously got another king size bed, got an extra computer monitor, which is kind of neat. I do have a laptop with me. Humongous TV here. And then another master bath with a annoying flashing light. Might be undoing that light soon. There you go. Welcome to day 2, not counting the 2-day road trip down here at Disney World. This is our own little private covered patio area. Very common in Florida. I really don't understand why we don't have these in Chicago. I know it could be a little weird when there's a foot of snow on here, but I really wish they had these things. This would be pretty nice during a Chicago winter. They could properly cover it up, but this pool is awesome. This pool is almost a little too warm. It feels like a hot tub without the jets. It is absolutely crazy, but I did take a little dip in this thing last night after we got back from the Magic Kingdom and almost fell asleep on that chair over there. But yeah, this thing is awesome. It would be so nice to have a pool like this during the winter in Chicago. Take a quick look outside. I have still not yet seen a gator in the few trips that I've taken down to Florida now. And there's some bubbles in the water there, so it possibly could be a gator over there, or I saw some bubbles over there. This is Paradise Palms, where we're staying for the week. Whole resort community that is gated. Busy week. This is going to be yet another busy day. Today we're headed to Epcot. I will be doing at least one vlog every day that I'm down here. Maybe two, with the exception of Thanksgiving Day, that we will be visiting one of my wife's family members that lives here in Florida. It was just about perfect yesterday. Sunny, mid-70s. Not a cloud in the sky. Looks like it's going to be similar today. Wearing an appropriate t-shirt. Well, Wisconsin Dells. I got shorts on. It feels good. Rental car has a little dew on the windshield. Definitely gets a little chilly here at night this time of year. Meanwhile at home, the temperatures are dropping like a rock. And it should be either 20s or 30s by the time we get back to Chicago next week. Absolutely lovely.